Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back after Ramadan, and with this new lesson of Radiance, I am Dr. Yahya Noori, and today we are going to discuss a very special topic, and that topic is Sarf Saghir and Sarf Kabir with Bab Nasara of Mudaaf. Let that sink in. We are going to discuss both the sarfs of the Mudaaf of Bab Nasara. So first I should remind you what Mudaaf is. So when you have two letters coming together of the same type, then we call it Mudaaf. For example, Sheen, Dal and Dal, Shadada. So we have a specific rule. Now we are going to discuss rules one by one, and I won't go in the detail of that rule, but that rule is called Idgham. We'll just give you a slight shadow of what it is. So Idgham means when you have two letters coming together, you merge them. So for example, Shadada becomes Shadda. So there is that teeth sign over it, and then there is a Fatha over it. It becomes Shadda. Tashdid we call it in Arabic. So for example, we have the word Madada. It becomes Madda. So the first form will be Madda, that is the third person singular. Madda, Madda, Maddu, Maddat, Maddata, Madadna, Madatta, Madattuma, Madattum, Madatti, Madattuma, Madattunna, Madattu, Madadna. So you've seen that when there are two dals coming together, we are just merging the sound. Sometimes we are merging the sound and sometimes we are dropping the sound of dal altogether. So we'll discuss one by one of them in detail, but later on, not today. I don't want to overdose you with it, but this is how the Sarf Kabir is done, the 14 sighas of this Mudaaf of Bab Nasara. The first thing you should do is to memorize this. Why? Because this is the stencil of the Mudaaf. Once you have memorized it, then you will gradually internalize the rules of why is it happening and how is it happening, and we'll give you example by example and rule by rule that what is happening where in the inshallah upcoming videos. So when we talk about Sarf Saghir, so what is Sarf Saghir? Has the first sigha of all the series. So how does it become with this particular Mudaaf of Bab Nasara? Let's do it. So Madda Yamuddu Maddan Fahuwa Maddun, wa Muddan Yamuddu Maddan Fahuwa Mamdudun. Al Amru Minhu Mudda Muddi Muddu Umdud. You will get different forms at different places when you are going to read. So just remember, all these forms are among those which we study for Amr, and there are more than that, but just for a taste of it. And one nahiyu minhu la tamud, la tamuddi, la tamuddu, la tamdud. Wa zarfu minhu mamaddun, wal alatu minhu mimaddun, mimaddatun, mimdadun. Wa af'alu tafzili amaddu, wal muannathu minhu mudda. So this is how it's done. It's very difficult, I know. It will take time to sink in, but your job about it is just to memorize these things. With this, I take your permission. Inshallah, we'll see you in next 15 days, and maybe with short videos in the middle. And just keep memorizing, keep revising, keep getting it fixed. And okay, what else we are going to do is that we are going to put some examples of the Mudaaf of Bab Nasara at the end, so that you can practice them as well, putting them on these stencils. But we are going to talk about the rules later on. First, you get a grip on it, that what the forms actually are. Then we are inshallah going to internalize the rules one by one. Thank you very much. Inshallah, I'll see you again. Keep me in your prayers and my team as well. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.